Alright guys, so in the previous video I told you we're going to be talking about taxonomies. That is what we're going to be doing today. So let's go into the taxonomies and let's add a taxonomy. So what is something that you would like to filter the books by? So you can make categories for books if you want to, but let's call it type, you know what I mean? Like the type of book itself, so I don't like confuse you with the categories that over here. But if you want to make like a custom category for the books or for whatever product you want or whatever custom post type you want, you can. If you want to not confuse yourself, all you need to do is just call it, that's it. It's not really that hard, you know what I mean? Just call it books categories, so it would understand that it's not the same category as a human being. Like you don't look at this and it's gonna be like categories as well. It's gonna be books categories. Book category, and you can add also as well like attach to post type. And since that we're not trying to do the WP core post types, we're making our own custom, so we're just gonna attach it to books. If there's anything else you want to add over here, you can. Like for example, I want to show in quick and edit bulk panel. This is gonna make it like over here we can like edit it in bulk, you know what I mean? Like when you hit quick edit, we can edit it in bulk. But I think we need to do that also as well in the post type. All right, so just make sure to edit the post type and just search for bulk or admin column. Okay, so admin, or just search column. Okay, it's not here. I do remember there's an option over here to show that as well, so let me just get it manually. All right, rewrite with front, create variable. All of that is good. All of that is good, but maybe it's in the taxonomy itself. Again, like I said, it can get a little bit confusing even for me, because there's just a lot of options that you could do. You know what I mean? So column, yeah. So show admin column, just true. And that's pretty much it. Save the taxonomy. Let's go into AJWS books, and as you can see right now we have books categories. Let's call it, for example, action movies. All right. No, not movies, so action books, I'm sorry. Or maybe like crime books. Whatever you would like, you know what I mean? Like self-help books, right? What else? Medical. You don't need to add in like books in each and every one. Like you can just call it self-help, you know, so it doesn't look confusing. And yeah, if you want to add in like an excerpt to the category, you can do that as well. You need to just add it in the taxonomy. So edit taxonomies, and then just search excerpt. To be honest with you, I don't know right now, like at the exact moment, where to enable that option, but I'm pretty sure that there's a way that you could add like an excerpt or like a small description to that. Okay. Show in menu. It's not really necessary anyways, but again, that's something you can search for. But let's continue. So let's now go to the books themselves and let's quick edit them. So as you can see right now, we have the books categories with commas. All right. You can actually make the book like categories over here, either like a drop down menu or either like this. So if I search self, as you can see, it just shows that update. So if you want to add in like multiple categories to the book, what did we call it? Medical? I think it was medical, yeah. So right now we have the books themselves, all right? We don't have anything that like shows the categories of the books, so we can do that also as well in the books test page. All right, let's delete the old books page. Let's call it books old, and then delete it. And I did that basically because if I delete it and it's called books, the slug is just going to be remembered in the database. So just make sure if you have like a mistake in that, just don't delete the whole page. Delete it with the new like slug. All right, so right now I can make it to books, the books test. And over here, we're just gonna add in something called search and filter, right? That's a plugin, all right? You don't really need that plugin in like other like page builder editors, but I'm just showing you that for the block editor, right? So you have search, I'm sorry, not search and replace, search and filter. Search and replace is a really good plugin as well, by the way. So I'm just gonna give it a moment. No, not none of these. Yep, this is the one that I'm looking for by Codamp, right? This one works for me. Like if there's any other plugin that works for you, that's fine as well. But this one works with custom post type, like categories, tags, taxonomies, and everything. Just gonna work with what we're trying to do over here. Okay, so let's go back to pages, edit. All right, and inside over here, all right. Right now we want to add in the custom taxonomy filter. Am I correct? So we're just gonna go and add in a shortcode. All right. I'm just gonna add it on top of here. And the shortcode, we're gonna get it from the search and filter. So the exact example is over here. Let's just get that one. Where's the shortcode? Let's add it again anyways. That's fine. Sorry, here it is. Okay, so right now, search and filters, format, books, whatever, all of that. We don't really need all of that. We just need the fields themselves. And the post type, I think that's how it is. I think post. Yep, here it is, post types. So it does not bring all the posts, you know, we want just the books. So post types equal books. And the fields, I think it's by the, like the slug of the taxonomy itself. Let's go and see that. Yep, submit. And as you can see, it works. Book category medical, book category self-help, and it works perfectly. So of course you can add in whatever taxonomy you would like. The thing is that what's gonna be starting to like get a little bit confusing for you, if you want to add in like custom fields and all that. In the next videos I'm gonna explain that, but I'm just showing you the basic example of how to do like a custom post type and a custom taxonomy. Right, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked the video for the custom taxonomies and CPT UI. In the next video, we're going to be focusing on ACF and secure custom fields. I personally use secure custom fields instead of ACF. I don't like having dependency on anything. If I can even delete these plugins, I would. But at the end of the day, you know, use what you got to as much as you can with little dependency. So that's pretty much it. This was Angry Video. I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace, you guys.